Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we will be installing Aptoide TV, one of the best third-party app stores available for your Fire Stick. With Aptoide TV you can download tons of apps, games and streaming services quick and easy. So grab your Fire Stick remote and let's dive in. Aptoide TV is popular among Android TV users looking for more app options. But since it's a third-party store, users should be cautious about app sources to avoid security risks. Unlike the official Google Play Store, Aptoide TV offers a more open platform, including apps that may not be available elsewhere. We can install Aptoide TV. We need to tweak a few settings to allow installation from unknown sources. So grab your remote and go to Settings, My Fire TV, and Developer Options. And just ensure ADB debugging and apps from unknown sources are both on. So back to the home screen. Then we will need to use the downloader app. So if you do not have this, then please watch this video that appears on the screen in the corner, and then you can come back to this setup. Okay, so once you have the downloader app installed, we can go and open it up. And we need to enter the code 230339. Okay, the install has started. So we will select install and we will click done so that we can delete the files as they are no longer needed. Click the home screen button, go to the apps library, and there you go. At the bottom we can see Aptoide TV has been installed successfully. So we just click OK and allow, and there you have it. It is installed for you to browse at your leisure. Okay, so that completes the setup for today. So if you found that helpful, then please give this a like, leave a comment and subscribe, and I hopefully will catch you on the next one. Cheers.